DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. This is how you fill up propane bottles. Keep this. This is a regular propane fitting, but it has attachment for a hose. So you get a little hose, and I got a little gate valve here. And then I took one of the from a regular stove. I need to get my little washer, but anyway, you know, from a regular from a torch, or you know, any kind of burner that has this on it already. And I just, you know, made this fitting here to and you got to plug that little hole, because what that does is it pushes in on that pin in there. Okay, but I need to get my little washer. Hang on. Now this hole right here, you don't want to totally plug this. You want gas to be able to go through, but you need something in here to push that pin, the pin inside the tank. Okay, so I think what I did is I just drilled it open, and I jammed a piece of a file or something in there. Now this is from a regular torch, so this hole is really small, so you kind of got to drill that out, and then, you know, shove something in here, a nail or something, and maybe make some grooves on it, because the gas has to go past, you know, has to go through in there, but you need something in here to push that pin down, that little, it's like a bicycle valve, that pin in there. Okay, so this is from a regular torch. You can unscrew part of this. Well, on this one, I'm sure you can unscrew this end. Some of the cheaper torches, you know, you can unscrew it and then make your, you know, make your fitting, you know, figure it out. Okay, I wanted to make sure that was clear. You know, they usually have cork in here, but this got discombobulated, so I use this little O-ring here. And you screw it on, but not too tight, because it's an O-ring, it'll seal. If I can ever get it started. Alright. There, that's good. And you take your propane tank and you turn it upside down. It's got to be upside down. Okay. And you open the valve all the way, because it seals on this side too. And then you just open your gate valve. I don't know if you can hear it going in. And you just leave it. I leave it at an angle like this, so you leave it overnight and it'll fill up. Sometimes it fills all the way, but the idea is to have a little gas bubble up here so it's not totally full, you know. But if it does fill up all the way, then you gotta like take a nail or something and press in on that Schrader valve in there and let some out, so you know there's room for expansion here. These won't blow up because they got a safety valve right there, but this is really cool. It saves a lot of money. The way this works is when you turn it upside down, the liquid goes to the bottom, so liquid goes in. Okay, I leave them overnight because, you know, overnight it cools down and it heats up, and that's usually enough to fill it up. But what you can do is put this in a freezer, put it in the freezer, and then hook it up, and it'll fill most of the way up. Like that first one, I needed some, I was out of gas, so it put about that much in it, just in a few seconds, like half a minute. And that's enough to make my coffee. So anyway, that's the other trick. Freeze these, put them in the freezer, and then hook it up, and it'll work a lot. It'll work real quick. And then once it's full, you got to make sure it's not leaking. Sometimes they leak. So I just wet my thumb, and I put my thumb over it, and I check to make sure that There'll be a bubble there. Make sure that it's not leaking, okay? And if it's really full to where there's no gas, I got a piece of file here, I ground the end flat, and you just push it down into there, and if it's too full, liquid will come out. So this one has some gas, so if this gas comes out, you're fine. Okay, another part. Oh yeah, you know, if you like these videos, subscribe and give it a thumbs up, maybe even share it, I don't know. Trying to get to 1,000 users. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.